Today we're getting into the small things that help you keep your life together. The little details many men overlook. Now these aren't flashy items or status symbols. These are some practical, subtle tools that make your life smoother and your presence sharper. As we break down 10 small things I believe every man should own. These are the things that will upgrade your daily routine, protect your investments, and just make your life a little easier. So stay tuned as we elevate your confidence, your efficiency, and your control. Now if you're new here, welcome, Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. If any or all those topics interest you, I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Paul Carlson, salute. Now, first up on the list of 10 small things I believe every guy should own is something I firmly stand by and I use almost every day, and I believe you should too. Grab yourself a quality shoehorn. Now, a shoehorn is definitely proof that a big impact can come in a small package. I love a shoehorn because it protects your footwear investments and your dignity. Slipping into your shoes without a shoehorn can crush the heel, destroy the structure, and can make a small daily routine feel sloppy. Quality shoehorn keeps your footwear looking sharp, extends its life, and it shows that you know how to protect your investments. Any of your quality leather shoes you're putting on, don't dare put them on without a shoehorn. This isn't about being fussy, it's about being efficient and polished. A shoehorn separates the man who handles and protects his investments from the man who lets wear and tear dictate his style. Now next up, we have a small item that definitely comes through in the clutch because accidents don't care about your timing. You definitely want to have yourself a stain remover pen. Coffee drips, food splashes, ink spots. They 99% of the time are going to happen when you're out in the world, not when you're standing by your washing machine. Stain remover pen allows you to handle the issue immediately instead of walking around the rest of the day looking sloppy. It can be the difference between reacting and being prepared. Trust me, if you start your day with a food spill, you're going to be very happy that you depended on preparedness instead of pure luck. And this isn't about vanity. It's about being prepared for any situation you walk into. Having a stain remover pen will allow you to take care of small issues before they become big distractions. Now, next up, we have a small item that I believe personifies preparedness. I'm talking about the compact flashlight. Now, trust me, you'll never realize how important one is until you actually need it. A power outage, roadside issue, dark parking garage, or you drop something under your seat. Yes, your phone light might work, but it drains your battery and it doesn't always give you the reliability or focus that the flashlight does. The compact flashlight is faster, stronger, and more dependable. And carrying one, it's all about competence. Men who are prepared handle situations calmly instead of scrambling. And that quiet confidence matters. It says you think ahead, you're capable, and you don't depend on pure luck. It's these everyday small tools like a compact flashlight that separate the men who react from the men who are ready. Now, next up, we have something that definitely comes through in the clutch when it's time to elevate your presence. I believe every man should have one or two travel-size colognes. I mean, you never know when you're gonna have that long day, a last-minute meeting, or an unexpected evening plan. For any of those situations, you wanna smell your best. A travel-size cologne allows you to stay fresh without overdoing it. It's small, travels well, is discreet, convenient, and shows awareness. And it's not about overpowering the room when you walk in. It's about being clean, intentional, and memorable in a positive way. A man who pays attention to his scent knows the small details matter. It signals social intelligence and sophistication. Having a travel-size cologne at your ready allows you to be prepared to show up well anywhere, anytime. And I believe it's a sign of a refined, polished man. Now, next up, we have a small but powerful weapon in the fight against clutter. I believe every guy needs a minimalist key organizer. Loose, noisy keys, they aren't just annoying, they're also a sign of disorganization. A key organizer helps you keep everything streamlined, quiet, and intentional. Not only does it protect your pockets, it also protects your sanity. I believe men who handle the small details like a key organizer are usually good at handling the big problems as well. I mean, come on, we reach for our keys multiple times a day. Why not make the moment clean and efficient? A minimalist key organizer simplifies your daily routine and reduces unnecessary friction. And it's not about being fancy, it's about function. When you handle the small details with things that keep you organized, it allows you to move through life with confidence and ease. Now, next up, we have one of my personal favorite small style items I have in my wardrobe, and I highly recommend it to every guy. You want maximum impact with minimum effort? Grab yourself a pocket square. You can wear the same blazer or suit and give yourself a completely different look with your pocket square. It shows intention without excess. Whether we're talking about a clean white linen pocket square or one with a subtle pattern, it instantly elevates any of your dressier outfits without looking like you're trying too hard. Many men skip the pocket square, meaning the guy who rocks one with confidence stands out. It says you pay attention to details and understand the importance of balance. It's not about being flashy, it's about refinement. And when done correctly, the pocket square is one of the most powerful small accessories. And it helps separate the well-dressed man from the man who's just putting on clothes. Now, next up on the list of 10 small things every guy should own, we have something for the guys who realize looking put together requires maintenance. I highly recommend you have yourself a compact grooming kit. A few essential items like nail clippers, tweezers, a fingernail file. They help you handle small problems before they become a big distraction. Broken nails, stray hairs, rough edges, these little things add up if you're not paying attention. The man who stays sharp, he doesn't wait till his grooming becomes a problem. He handles it consistently. A compact grooming kit allows you to be prepared on the road and at home, reducing clutter. And it's not about vanity, it's about having standards. When you handle the small grooming details, it projects discipline and self-respect. You see, people notice when a man is intentional, even if they quite can't name why the guy looks that way. It's because that man has a quiet polish that starts with the small grooming details. Now, next up, we have something that I've been using a lot more lately because I believe hydration is paramount, and you should too. Grab yourself a reusable water bottle. Energy, focus, your skin, joints, it all gets better when you drink the right amount of H2O. And it definitely sets you apart from the man who relies on too much caffeine and convenience. What I like about the reusable water bottle, it helps keep hydration top of mind. And it removes a lot of excuses. It's practical and cost efficient. And carrying one says you're intentional about your habits and your health. And this isn't about trends or simply being eco-conscious. It's about preparedness. You see, men who handle fundamentals fare better in their health in every aspect of their life. When your body is taken care of, everything else runs much more smoothly. That reusable water bottle is a small habit that I believe can give you a big payoff. Now, next up on the list, we have what I believe is a no-brainer selection. One of the best combinations of timeless style and function. Grab yourself a pair or two of classic sunglasses. And classic shades, they protect your eyes, reduce strain, and instantly sharpen any outfit. Think aviators, wayfarers, club masters. These are the type of shades that look good in almost any situation and never look dated. Another great thing about sunglasses, they frame your face and give you the appearance of more symmetry, something people definitely notice. Cheap, trendy sunglasses, they look disposable, where classic ones show intention and maturity. And this isn't about hiding behind sunglasses. It's about choosing the right tool for the job. When you invest in a timeless pair of sunglasses, you don't have to worry about keeping up with the Joneses. They'll be keeping up with you. And you look confident, composed, and put together with minimal effort. Now, next up, we have another small but powerful weapon to keep in your arsenal when it comes to maintaining the sharpness of your clothing. You want to make sure you have yourself a garment brush. You see, dirt, debris, lint, it can accumulate on even the cleanest of jackets, making it look tired before your day even begins. A garment brush restores texture, elevates your appearance, and extends the life of your fabric. And the man who understands small details, he realizes that polish isn't just about new clothing. It's also about maintaining the clothes you already have. Using a garment brush is subtle. It signals discipline, respect for your wardrobe, and attention to presentation. It's a small habit with a big visual impact. So go ahead and get that dirt off your shoulders. Okay, so there you have it. 10 small items I believe every man should own. Now do me a favor, let me know in the comment section any small items you believe the Style O.G family could use to improve their life that I might have forgot to mention. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I highly recommend you check out a recent video I did about all the things men waste their money on. You can check it out right here.